In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock cells in Google Sheets. If you work with shared spreadsheets, locking cells is a simple way to prevent accidental edits to important data or formulas. Let's walk through the exact flow, and I'll add context so you know why each click matters. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Make sure you're in the correct tab where your data lives. Now, click the specific cell you want to lock. Don't worry if you plan to protect more than one cell later. Starting with a single selection makes the next steps clearer, and you can easily adjust the range in a moment. Look down at the bottom where the Sheet tabs are. On the tab you're working in, click the small down arrow to open its menu. From that menu, choose Protect Sheet. This opens the Protected Sheets and Ranges sidebar on the right. Think of this sidebar as your control center for locking both entire sheets and specific cell ranges. At the top of the sidebar, you'll see a place to add a description. This is optional but helpful, especially on busy files. A short label like Lock Totals or Protect Formulas will remind you and your collaborators why this protection exists. By default, the sidebar may be set to protect the entire sheet. Since we want to lock a specific cell or selection, click Range. You'll see an input where Google Sheets usually fills in the cell you clicked earlier. If needed, you can adjust it here, expand it to a larger area, or type an exact A1 style range. Clear specific ranges reduce confusion, especially when others collaborate. Next, click Set Permissions. This is where you decide who can actually make changes to the protected area. For this demo, choose Only You. That means only you will be able to edit the locked cells, while others will see or access the sheet based on their existing share permissions, but won't be able to change that protected content. This is perfect for safeguarding formulas, headers, or any values that must stay consistent. Finally, click Done. Your protection is now active. From this point on, Google Sheets will enforce those permissions, preventing edits to the locked cells by anyone who isn't allowed. If you ever need to protect additional cells, you can repeat the same flow from the sidebar and keep your descriptions organized so everything's easy to manage. That's the process for locking cells in Google Sheets. Quick, reliable, and ideal for maintaining data integrity in shared documents.